Good morning, traders. This is Alla on February 27th. This is a trade that reached key Fibonacci target. This is a trade that knowledgeable Fibonacci trader understands and knows extremely well. This is when we're going to start seeing very sharp bearish pullbacks. This is key target. All the rules are met. This is when you're moving your stop outside of break even. This is trade number 20 during 22 hours trading room had been open. This is another Fibonacci target on this trade. Are you surprised we're on the right side of the market? Should not be. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. This is exact same strategy you can use on any instrument, any time frame you will choose to trade. This is when knowledgeable trader understands extremely well that trailing your position very, very carefully is the key. The trade is not on 1 minute chart. I convert every single chart to 1 minute chart so you can see the accuracy of the method instantly. How did I know that price will pull back from this area? Simple. Fibonacci said so. When price comes to reversal zone, price reminding you. There is a reason I named this level reversal zone. This is where price collapses from completely 80+% of the time. Doesn't matter if it's Apple monthly, doesn't matter if it's Euro weekly, doesn't matter if it's ETF stocks or options. This is exact same thing S&P had done on weekly. Remember this? This is what you're seeing right now on 1 minute chart. Are you surprised? Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. You don't need to wait for weeks, months, and years to witness the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly in front of you daily. How you will use the method after you will learn the method, absolutely up to you. Adjust your trail very, very carefully. From the point of entry, we discussed this trade 4 points later. 1 point on S&P, $50. Every single person here has different account size, has different circumstances. Every single person here trades different lot size. 1 lot on 4 points, $200. 1 lot on 1 point, $50. 10 lots on 4 points, $2,000. What is your risk management? What appeals to you to trade? Absolutely up to you. Trail placed in perfect place. Trail is not speculative. Every single stop, every single trade identified by rules you learn in the course. So again, let's recap what played out this morning and what's happening on this trade. This is where market opened up this morning, very, very close to this key Fibonacci resistance. We discussed that entering into this resistance not an option. We discussed that knowledgeable trader waiting for pullback and acquires long only when rules are met. We discussed that S&P has plenty of space to the upside, but by the time you come to this level, you must be in significant profit. This is a trade that's converted to 1 minute chart where you see it instantly. Are you surprised price is struggling in this area? Should not be. Price had given you correction, trail placed in perfect place. When reversal zone correlates with the end of the minor trend on hourly, you're absolutely expecting powerful pullbacks. Protecting your profits is a key. How did I know that price will do that? At reversal zone. Fibonacci said so. That's the reason I named this level reversal zone. This is the image that reminds you very, very clearly. Every single strategy, every single Fibonacci level you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame. This is euro from 2014. Remember euro at reversal zone at 3,900? Should not be. Euro collapsed as expected. Exact same thing you're witnessing on 1-minute chart S&P right now. Exact same identical reminder what played out on weekly few weeks ago. As we discussed with students well before it happened, expect collapse. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for years. Years in advance, price spelled out with Fibonacci. This is where price action is heading to. And that's what you're seeing on 1-minute chart. Exact same formula. And as it happens to be, trail remained placed in perfect place. Right outside of reversal zone. No speculation here, rule-based method that applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose to trade. Here's a couple of other examples that reminding you very, very clearly that Fibonacci will override any news, as we will also witness tomorrow morning on oil during news. This was extremely bullish news on oil, where oil collapsed from thousands of points because Fibonacci reversal zone had been reached. Time and time again, that's exactly the reason why I bring up oil into the room during the news. Bullish news on oil did not mean a thing, as the reversal zone was present on January 11th, on January 18th, on April 12th, when OPEC productions were cut. And that's the dance on S&P in front of you right now. And that's a very powerful reminder. Do not ever acquire position into reversal zone. If you do, success is not possible. However, if you exit your position, the trade from 2070, 80, 50 until 2787, 50, 7 points. One lot, $50. 7 points on one lot, 350. On 10 lots, 3,500. What you will choose to trade, is it Apple, is it oil, is it gold? Absolutely up to you. All exact same formula. Do you remember gold being at key Fibonacci support in 2016? Do you remember gold at 1128? How did I know that gold will rally to 1300? Simple. Fibonacci said so. Do you remember what gold did next? That's what gold had done. That's where buyers came from. This is your investment decisions. You don't have to day trade S&P. And if you remember what happened on gold years prior, where gold collapsed from famous 1900 level. All the same formula as you see in front of you daily on S&P. And that will be the focus of Fibonacci Bootcamp. And this is the focus of Mastery course. If you are joining us in the course during the months of March, until March 12th, bootcamp included. I'm closing trading room. I'm closing everything March 12th through 23rd, as we are in intense Fibonacci trading learning environment. 10 days, Monday through Friday. We are together 2 to 3 hours per day when I'm quizzing you and teaching you pure price and Fibonacci only. During the bootcamp, you learn basic strategies taught in the course, as well as Genesis strategy that's not part of regular course. For new students, bootcamp included at no charge. Graduates taking bootcamp time and time again at additional fee of $888. This is the savings to new students. Psychology is the key of the course, always and forever will be, as psychology 80% of everything you do. So if you're joining us, we are down to only 9 spaces. Maximum group size is 20. Group education 8 weeks, private mentoring 16, includes bootcamp. This is the first and maybe the last bootcamp of 2018. During 8 years of the website, this is bootcamp number 12. So please review the information on the website. And most importantly, always and forever, listen to graduates who trade various instruments in various time frames, from beginner to hedge fund trader, from futures trader to ETF trader to stock trader to options trader to hedge fund manager, trading the method in US and globally. And if you ever would like to contact me, please never hesitate to reach out. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Also, I highly encourage you to please browse YouTube channel going back 8 years, where you can see multiple examples from trading room that show you the accuracy of the method you can trade on any instrument you will choose. Thank you, traders. Let's take a well-deserved break.